Today we have the 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. 450 horsepower, equipped with a 3-litre twin-turbo V6 engine, sports exhaust system and PDK transmission. On our screen we can access navigation, media and smartphone integration. If you go into car and into drive, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: wet, normal and sport. We can also access our spoiler, sports exhaust system and start stop. We also have our climate control, apps, driver assist, sound with our Bose sound system, our devices and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, heated seats and our controls for our sunroof.